we are going to install the ink ribbon into the VnM4 Pro. Each printer comes with the ink ribbon spindles. You'll see there's one side that has an edge. We want to look at that because we want to make sure that our new ink ribbon is going to be installed like this with the ink going off counterclockwise. The ink ribbon spindle that's empty, it doesn't really matter, so any side will do. The new ink is going to be installed here underneath the printer, and the take-up core is going to go right up on the top. So here, it's kind of like a battery. There's a spring on the right side, and then it inserts. And then over here on the top, you just push in, and then from here, we are going to take the ink ribbon, and it goes around the print head, and then it adheres to the cardboard. From there, we're just going to roll this up until you see the black. And we are ready to print.